Hey guys, we're Burning Daylight, and this is what a pro looks like at ruining his safety score. And not only that, I need another nap. You guys didn't think I was serious, did you? Yeah, let's get back into the garage. See you later. Forward collision warnings is the first category Tesla Safety Score looks at. Make sure the car is keeping a safe distance between your car and the car in front of you. Otherwise, FSD will start beeping at you with a red colored car on your screen. Category number 2, do not slam your brakes beyond 0.3 Gs. Try to use regenerative braking as much as you can, otherwise your safety score will go down.
He made me stand and do this so that he could watch the lady let her dogs out and was wondering what the heck I was doing standing in front of his car.
Funny enough, my wife was not happy helping me out while recording that last video clip. Aggressive turning. Make sure you are not surpassing 0.4 Gs while you're on the road. So if you're really holding that steering wheel, that is not really a good sign. So unsafe following is number 4. The next video clip you'll see, I try to do my best to show you a perspective of making sure that you're keeping a safe distance between the car and the car in front of you. If you can see part of the road and the bumper of the car, you're good. But as soon as your bumper kind of starts covering the bumper of the car in front of you, that means you're way too close. This is good. This is still pretty good. Any closer than this? That close? Very bad. I'm already getting warnings. So category number 5, forced autopilot disengagement. That pretty much means you need to let FSD or autopilot know that you're behind the steering wheel and paying attention. Otherwise, without touching that steering wheel, your screen will start to blink blue, then red, and it'll eventually show up as a red steering wheel. Oh yeah, and don't forget, make sure not to get caught while sleeping behind the wheel. That's never a good sign. And then the last category, late night driving. You are not allowed, per Tesla Safety Score, to drive between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. Otherwise, your score will drastically drop. Not that you need an example of this, but here it is. The sun is up, you can actually be on the road. No harm, no foul. It is 11:14, and this is definitely not the time you want to be driving. I hope that helped you guys paint a better picture of what you guys actually need for a better safety score. If you guys could please like and subscribe, and for the hell of it, share the video if you can, that'd be fantastic, and I'll see you guys in the next one.